Okay, here is a brand new Daikin central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. This unit replaced a 2007 Heil Performance unit. Brand new unit. It is a 5-ton from 2025, so this is brand new. Awesome. My first 2025 unit. I assume it has a couple and scroll compressor. Has an interesting top. And it has a ECM motor by the looks of it. That might be a variable speed motor, actually. Not entirely sure. But yeah, this unit is located at a commercial complex in my town that I've filmed at a bunch of times before with all these Heil and other units. .8's here. Even smells brand new too. But yeah, just like a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.